Hi guys. So today's going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be under the truck, and in order to take the motor out, I have to take the bolt for the motor mount out, and then over here I'm going to be disconnecting the exhaust. So I'm going to be taking these bolts off, and the bolt for the motor mount is back here. I'm going to be using some air tools today, so I might be pausing the video so I can do that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and crawl under there and see if I can't get to that. Issue I'm having right now is this sensor right here is in the way to get to that bolt. No, it's not focusing. That bolt. The nut, sorry. This nut off the bolt. It's here. I have to take this sensor, this heat plate off, which is there's three little bolts right there. 1, 2, and then there's another one on the other side. There we go. 1, 2, and then another one on the other side. So let me get to it. Okay, I'm under the truck. The bolts for the exhaust are gonna be that one. Come on. That one. That one. And that one on this side. And right there's the motor mount nut on this side. And then there's the motor mount nut on this side. And then the exhaust is right there. There's 3 on this side as well. I'm going to go ahead and pause it because it's going to get loud with the impact, and I can't hold the impact and my phone at the same time. So I'll be back. Okay. So took that off, got to the bolt for the motor mount. That's gone. That's now loose. The exhaust is now loose. The motor mount bolts out, both sides, and all of the nuts on the exhaust are off. So took a little longer than I was expecting because I couldn't get to 2 of the nuts on the exhaust. So I had to use a little wobbly here in order to get it off. The 15 millimeter for the nuts on the exhaust. 11/16 for the motor mount nut, and yeah, so unfortunately that's all I got for today. Tomorrow I'll probably have to figure out where I'm going to mount the cherry picker, engine puller, whatever you want to call it. I might have to take the valley off to see what's in there to be able to hook something up. I might have to go buy something. We'll see. I don't know. But I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.